Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto delete in Messenger. If your messages keep disappearing in Facebook Messenger, then auto delete feature is probably enabled through disappearing messages or vanish mode. So here's how to turn it off. So open Messenger, open the conversation where messages disappear, tap the person's name at the top. So click their name, scroll down and tap disappearing messages and select off. Once disabled, new messages will stay in the chat normally. You can also go back and look for vanish mode and turn it off. If the chat background is dark or messages disappear after closing the chat, open the conversation and swipe up from the bottom of the chat and release. Then vanish mode will turn off automatically. You can also tap the person's name and find vanish mode down here and toggle it off. You can try these quick fixes. So you can restart your phone, check if the other person enabled disappearing messages again. And you can also clear Messenger cache on Android. Now, on iPhone, you can go to the App Store and check if you need to update the Messenger app. Now, after turning these settings off, your chats should stop auto deleting. And that's basically it. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.